Now, of course, before you start working with these rusty axle nuts, they are a pain to get off. You'll want to throw some of this on right here. Make sure that you get it nice, loose. You know, it's a standard kind of lubricant. I believe it's called God. Sorry, I used the wrong stuff. This is what you want to get right here. Some heavy duty kind of contaminant remover. There we go. Now all the dust is out. We can finally crack this baby open. What you want to do at first is kind of intimidate it. You want to intimidate it, kind of show it who's boss. That's right. Look at this thing. You think you can handle me? You think you can handle me, buddy? Huh? Look at this. I'm packing. You ain't got shit on me. You ain't got shit. Bust your face. Take a screwdriver, put it in there, so that when this turns, it's locked in place. However, we want to go this way, so we gotta stop it from coming this way. So. What the f? Normally you'd want to put it the other way to put weight into it, but these ones are actually pretty nice because I sprayed that air on them, and I took off all the rust just like that. In reality, you're going to want to use some sort of lubrication, obviously. Maybe we should get an impact wrench sometime. Alright. Keep this, obviously. And now I gotta take off the back. And back here, pretty standard caliper. Take your 13-inch and go ahead and take her off. Caliper comes off, and I've been just sticking them up, kind of finding the wedge, way to wedge them up here. And this one might not fit. And now take this guy off. Thing while you're here, you want to inspect the pads as well as the rotor. Looks like the rotor's fine. As you can see, there are scratches, but that's pretty standard for a rotor. This isn't brand new, of course, but as you can see, I'm pretty smooth. You can see there's a nice sheen to it. It's still pretty good. Just a bit of rust that's fairly typical, especially out here in a rainy country. Now we want to turn it around. What do I do? Alright, well, this is also a good option. Now this will give you access to that little guy. Now up here is the most infuriating piece of shit. This guy. This is your sway bar. See this? This nut and the end over here, they move with each other. So to hold it in place, you got to use this thing over here, right there, to hold it in place. So, and stick that there, and then you just want to get it started at first. God damn. All right. So you got to keep that little middle part from turning, and it's nice to have someone else to kind of hold it while you do the other one, or just use your other hand. But I'm holding a light and okay. All right, you get the idea. Then we're gonna go ahead and remove this guy right here. I think that's tightening, actually. And when we remove this guy, we're not going to take it off. We're not going to take it off all the way. We're only going to take it off to the very end, because you're going to want something to hit. Yep, that's right. We're gonna go ahead and use this to kind of loosen this up. Don't be shy. This thing's pain in the ass. There we go. Just pops out like that with enough force. It will take quite a beating, I will tell you that. The other side was not kind to me. Alright. And finally, we're going to move this son of a bitch down here. This guy down here, the lower control arm. Now, for the lower control arm down here, you're going to have two nuts. There's going to be a nut here and a nut on the other side. You got the control arm, nut on the other side. You're going to want to hold it with one on this side, and this side just kind of undo it. And I believe this is a 17, right? No, it's a 15, that's right. Got a 15 down there. Left side. So we're gonna just kind of get it off at first, and then this will start turning back here. Snag it. What you end up with this guy. And it goes right under there. Yay. Alright, so you want to remove this. It's important to not damage this rubber right here. There's no use in damaging that rubber. So when you take your crowbar, try to aim for back here on metal. That's metal back there. And metal right there. Oh, there we go. And out this comes. There we go. The two are separated. Yay. I mean, no, it's sad. But don't worry, you will be reunited later. Alright. Now then, we've got everything removed. We can take out this guy. Blech, I think I got rust in my mouth. There you go, folks. There you go. Well, these drive shafts may as well be flying the Millennial Falcon, because they are solo from here on out. You know, I thought of that joke and I thought it was pretty clever, but You know, forget it.